girls. My name's Mrs. Prather and I'm the principal here at Elmhurst. And as an Elmhurst Eagle, we always follow CHAMP's expectations. So in the bathroom, we follow CHAMP's expectations by using a voice level 0, no talking, or a 1, whispering if you need to communicate with someone. If you need help and you're at the restroom, if there's not any paper towels or the soap dispenser is empty, then find an Elmhurst staff member and they can help you out. When we use the restroom, remember, we go flush, wash, and leave. And get right back to class. We walk to and from the bathroom, and we respect the privacy of others who are also using the restroom, and we keep our bathroom clean. It's one of the ways that we show respect at our school is by keeping our bathrooms clean and our school clean. When we're all done, we know we've been successful, we head right back to class.